Okay, I don't think it was recording, but I did end up solving, or at least I ended up figuring out these squares here and aligning them up with these colors. Once you do that, you flip this cube over and you start working on placing the bottom pieces in the corners so they match these two colors and this one. Okay, now we have the bottom complete and these little pieces here. Now in order to get all of these squares done, you need to look at these squares on the top. You need to look at ones without yellow on them, so these two pieces. So you want to move them to the orange to line up, and you want to match this color here. Now you can move that down here. So you want to do that with the remaining colors of whatever you have. So now you have that side, and that side, and this side, and this side. So now you have them all done. So now what you want to try to do is make a cross up here. But in the ways that you do that, you either have a line, or a little part like this. So now you want to hold this line horizontal towards you, and you want to do a little algorithm. Okay, now that did not mess up any of this bottom, and it gave us our little piece here. So now we're going to do the same one again. And now we have a cross without messing up the rest of this. So with this, you always want to, if you have this piece in here, sometimes you don't, you have to do another one, which you'll say this wasn't here, you'd start with this side with this one down. But it has this one, so now you just do another algorithm. It really depends sometimes on how many times you do it. I mean, right here, this should be the last piece, because once this goes over, these three should lay in, if it's done right. And there we go. Now you have the top piece, and the bottoms, and that. Now you have to get this done, and then switch it. So the next thing you want to look for is a piece that has these two colors. None of them do, none of the adjacents do except for this. So this is going to be your back side, and this is going to not be your front. So in order to get these corners to match up, you follow another algorithm. Now you see that you have one line that's completely, it will complete this side of it. Now you have one missing out of all of these. So now you do a move that's called the Allen. You always want your side that's done to be your right side, and whatever side is other will be your left. And now you do another algorithm, and it should complete it in the first shot. If not, do it again. And there you go. That's how you complete a Rubik's Cube.